And hello everybody, welcome back to Peter's Autovlog. Here we are in front of a 2025 Kia K4, the brand new restyle for 2025. This one here is a EX, which is a mid-level pack of about $33,000. Finished off in a morning mist, if I'm correct. That color, which is beautiful color, it's got a light greenish, grayish color, similar to Ford's Cactus Gray. Let's go ahead and take a look at this girl inside here real quick. Not open up, not turned on or anything like that, but take a look at this new cockpit. As you can see, guys, take a look at that real quick for you here, and let's go ahead and sit down. So here we are inside of the 2025 Kia K4. As you can see, guys, we got this 30-inch display here with cluster and instrumentation all put together of your infotainment. Really nice the way this is. It's got the cloth seats, very nice interior. As you can see, guys, we got an 8-speed automatic here, USB ports. Really nice what it is. Unfortunately, it's not on, guys. Kind of interesting steering wheel, kind of an oval shape. Really nice the way that is. Like the interior feels really nice and quality. Modern interior. Of course, this is basically the competition to the Toyota Corolla, Honda Civic. Of course, I'm gonna take a quick walk around here, and as you can see, guys, I like all the texture here down in cloth, which feels great. Very nice exterior color. Let's take a look at a bit of the details here on this one here. 2025 K4 EX. So this is basically mid-level, about 23,900, basically 24 grand. Looking for the four-wheel drive turbo one is about $28,000. But I really like the design of this car. Let's come back around this way here. We got some people coming. Take a look at that front. Really nice lights. And then we'll do her a little bit here. As you can see, guys, we got a bit of aluminum finish to the right front splitter there. We got your LED daytime running lights here. As you can see, they're done in amber. Very good looking car. I mean, this is probably the best compact sedan there is right now in the market in terms of design. Kia always has done a great job of separating themselves from the design element of the other cars. You can see it's really interesting design here, kind of triangular shaped, basically C-pillar window there. As you can see there, we got the door handle right there. And if we open this up, pretty interesting the way this is. As you can see there is the back seat, which looks about average for this segment in its class. Really, I love the color. The way it's kind of shaped like a hatchback, similar to like an Audi A6, A7, if I'm correct. They're really nice the way this is. Look at the design of the taillights here. Beautiful design. Wow, Kia definitely hit it out of the park with this design of this Kia K4. Let me know what you guys think. The car looks very elegant. Seems like above a step, or very similar to, for example, the K5 here next door to us, also 2025. Bit of smaller design, but wow, what a good job. Kia. Then let's see if we can open up the trunk. Just the button right there. Oh yeah, with this, there we go, guys. You can see, guys, we got this opening. Wow, pretty good sized trunk, as you can see there. Wow, it's pretty deep, pretty wide as well. Wow, pretty impressed with this trunk, as you can see there. The seats come down as well. Wow, pretty impressive. As you can see, guys, let's go ahead and drop this down. Love those LED taillights. You can see, guys, just the color, and of course, I see the backup camera right there. And you can see, this is kind of interesting the way this is a two-tone. Here in the back, really interesting the way that is. I don't know if I don't think this comes up or anything like that, but that's an interesting design element to this. Look at that, it's pretty cool. That's the only one that is. That's the only thing that's black here, which is interesting. That kind of makes the thing extend longer. It's actually it basically this makes it look like a sport hatchback then instead of a sedan, with that basically all that painted black. So it's an interesting design element that Kia did. Really cool. Look at the wheels, really nice 19-inch wheels there, if I'm correct. And yeah, modern car. Let me know what you guys think. For basically the mid to high 20s, it's a lot of car for the money, and you get a couple of engine options. And of course, depends on which model you get. But all right, guys, there we go. 2025 Kia K4 EX. Beautiful color called Morning Mist, or I'll put that for you guys so you saw it on the information. But there we go, guys. Let me know what you think, and move on to the next video. Thank you for watching, and take care.